Hi, it's John Cronshaw here of Indie Author Mastermind. If something is good enough to publish, it's good enough to pay for. There are a lot of sharks out there who make money from things they do not create or even pay for. Don't let them. If someone wants to use your intellectual property, they should pay you fair exchange. Never fall for the do it for the exposure line. Exposure is one of those vague, nebulous terms that sounds great, but rarely moves the needle. When you hear the word exposure, replace it in your head with the word exploitation. Respect your work and others will respect it too. If someone asks you to do it for the exposure, run away. Don't negotiate, just run. You'll get backlash from those who think everything should be free, but who cares? That's a reflection on their lack of value, not yours. If you're going to give something away for free, do it on your terms. Do it in a way that benefits you directly, such as giving away a lead magnet or running a free promo to draw new readers into your series. If you're going to spend money on exposure, make sure it's something where you can track your return on investment, such as pay-per-click advertising or reputable book promotion sites. Do interviews by all means, but do so only with the mindset that it's a mutually beneficial arrangement between you and the interviewer. You should not pay for these, and you should never, ever pay for the privilege of someone else using your intellectual property. Your work is worth more than that. You are worth more than that. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments what you think. If this resonates, if this hits home, please share. Let's get a discussion going. Remember, I am on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Indie Author Mastermind on most of those. Twitter's Indie Mastermind. You can also support this show on Patreon. It's patreon.com/Indie Author Mastermind. So until next time, cheerio.